Greetings to everyone. This is our IBM project based on the topic Industry Specified Intelligent Fire Management System. We are a team of four proposing a solution for fire mishaps in industries. And we went through more than 50 lecture surveys and we found these 10 lecture surveys which resembles what a topic is about and which really helpful for us as a reference. Let's enter into the project planning phase. The problem statement of a project. The primary purpose of a project is fire alarm system, which is because in our industries there may be many mishaps which is very harmful for people as well as the machineries. In order to avoid these type of problems, we have created a uniqueness solution, which is an intelligent fire management system. With this system, we can easily avoid any mishaps which happens to human, the employers inside as well as outside the industries. The idea and solution description of a project. Here we have incorporated sensors like temperature sensors and gas sensors, which detects the temperature rise and leakage of gases. Once it detects it, the exhaust fan are powered on and the sprinklers are automatically switched on. Most importantly, in our solution, the emergency alert are sent to the authorities and it notifies the employers with an alarm system. The novelty of our project. When the fire starts spreading, automatically the temperature will rise, which is notified by our sensors. The most importantly, the gas which leaks also will be notified, which will be very helpful in turning on the exhaust fan and the sprinkler system. Most importantly, our system sends messages to the authorities so that we can avoid any big accidents prior. The social impact or customer satisfaction. Obviously, our system provides a unique solution so that the customer can feel satisfaction for his money. It can be recognized and this system can be recognized by the clients through the feedback. The customer, those who utilize our kit and send their feedback, which will be very important and useful for us to increase the features of our system as well. Business model, revenue model of the system. This system is very beneficial and we are trying to provide the system as much as low cost and also to take the system to each and every nook and corner of a country so that everyone will be benefit by this. This financial benefit by using this model we achieve in a short span of time. The scalability of the solution. Obviously, our solution is very scalable. It can be used in large scale as well as small scale purposes. It will be provided with Python program, basic Python program, and sprinklers, buffers, and sensors incorporated in it. The product backlog. Every system has some backlogs. In our system, the story and task is, we might ensure the login credentials through Gmail and ease the manager for the purpose of sending alert messages. And we need to register the details and tool details in a simple and easy manner. In case of fire in the industries, the sprinklers need to on and also checking the water availability in the tank is very important. The safeguard of my properties as well as it will be better to send alert messages to the fire department. Good to have an IoT based system which we already have. Project tracker, velocity and burn down chart of our system. Velocity. Let's imagine we have a 10-day sprint duration and the velocity of the team is 20. Let's calculate the team average velocity, which will be easily calculated with the ratio of sprint duration to the velocity. The design of a solution. The customer journey. The customer journey have many phases. The most important phases are action, touch point, Customer feelings, customer thoughts, and opportunities. We give importance to customer feelings as well as thought, which is the most important thing for implementation of any systems. The data flow diagram of a system. Functional requirements. We need some electronic instruments like temperature sensors and some other instruments like exhaust fan, sprinklers in order to avoid fire increasing. The manual registration through the web page and the form registration through Gmail can also be done. The messages can be received in the cell phone, which is also a functional requirement. Non-functional requirement of a system. It is mostly automatic, so it can manage the fire itself. This automated features makes usability easier. Regular maintenance of hardware like sensors, exhaust fan, and sprinklers, and periodic service of the system is mandatory. The performance and availability, and most importantly, the scalability of a system is some of the non-functionalities of the system. Architecture. Our system involves the main block, IoT block, the cloud services, and the user. IoT, which is connected with a Python code, and IBM Western, that is IoT platform, and Web UI and Cloud and DB are database and directly to the user through a fast SMS. The problem solution fit. A fire alarm system is on budget and it works with temperature sensor and it is available in all or the companies and send messages to the fire station. If there is no water in the tank, there will be little damage for the company. But we can overcome this issue by automatically filling the tank with water when the certain level of water will reduce in the tank. The employers could get help by using surveillance camera and buzzer alarms as well. Proposed solution. The primary purpose of fire alarm system is to provide an early warning of fire so that people can be notified and take immediate actions to avoid the effect of fire. The smart fire management system includes sensors like flame sensors, gas sensors, and temperature sensors to detect if any changes happens in the environment. And this project is also IoT based, which will be very useful for the customers. Ideation of a system. The journey of a system. Fire breakout buildings. It contributes in preserving the functioning. The most important, this causes the loss of machineries. It is difficult to maintain and no production for employees. In order to overcome these kind of things, and our solution create the most important solution as well. It prevents major accidents. It is very helpful and satisfied. Production of employers is also a most important assurance. Big ideas. And we, team members, have came up with many big ideas like exhaust fan on, automatic water sprinkler, alerting the authorities, fire alarm, and so on. In that, we have chosen some of the ideas and which we have implemented in the project. Idea preparation, fire detection sensors, fire alarms, IoT sending messages, and these played a most important role in the project. Need statement. Fire management need a way to prevent losses and major accidents so that it protect the employees and machineries. Obviously, every industries, the employees are work in a very tragic way, which, which is also there is a loss. If any fire happens, it will affect them a lot. And that's why we need a solution and which can be provided by our project web page. This is the login page of a project. We need to type the usernames and passwords are required to log in into a login form. Alarm based on temperature. When the temperature rises over a limited temperature, then the alarm will start on. N. Gas detected. When gas is detected, the exhaust fan will be on. Gases like nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide These gases, if detected, the exhaust fan will turn on automatically. Message response. And this is the response we get once we have any fire mishaps in our industry. Thank you.